All right, today I'm going to cover a couple of different ways that you can change the row height and column width in Excel. So right off the bat, we have some data here. We can see that some of these names are cut off because this column isn't wide enough. So a simple way to adjust row width or column height is to find the space in between these two columns. And once you find that line or that space, you'll see this little double arrow with a line through it. If you click, you can adjust the width of that column to however wide we need it to be. So that's a simple way to manually do it. You can do the same thing with rows. You can click and drag. Now another way to adjust the width automatically is to double click in that same spot. So if I double click here, it will auto adjust to the largest cell within that column, which in this case, it looks like it's probably Rachel Anderson. So it's going to adjust to that size, not to Jack Tang, but to the largest, which is Rachel Anderson. So if we do that here with column C for ID, we double click here, it's going to shrink that to the smallest cell. Now another way to do this is with a right click. Now if we want to adjust the row or the column, we just go to whichever row or column we want to adjust. We right click, then we can go to row height. This will pop up and you can type in whatever you want. So let's just say we want the row height to be 20 and that will adjust. And let's say we want to go to column width here and we want that, let's just say we want that to be 30. All right. So then we can manually adjust that with the right click. Now you can also click the column or the row that you would want to be formatted. If you go up to Home, you go to Format, and then you go to column width or row height, that same pop-up menu will display. Now let's say that we want to adjust the height of multiple columns or rows. And let's say, for example, we want all of these columns to be the same width. What we can do is click and drag across to select all of those columns. We can then manually adjust and all of those columns will go to the same width. Or we can go to the column width again by right clicking and we can select what width we want that to be. Now I find this part not super helpful because like 27.64 means absolutely nothing to me or even 10, I don't even like, that's going to be smaller. Okay, so to me it's easiest just to click and drag manually myself. So vice versa, you can do the same with these rows. Let's say we want these rows to be that big. So let's make these really small for a second. And let's say we want all of these columns to be the same width as this column. What we can do is right click or Control C and copy that cell. Then right click in the cell or column we want to be the same width. Hover over Paste Special and then select Keep Source Column Width, which will then copy that cell and the width of it across into the new cell. So those are some basic ways on how you can change row height and column width within Excel. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button before you go. I really appreciate that. Thank you, and just have a great rest of your day.